knots, southwest wind 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of northern Indiana, southwest Michigan, and northwest Ohio. When? Until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Impacts: damaging wind will blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Avoid windows during the windstorm. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.
Well, that's what I was worried about. All right, so we have a semi-truck, tractor trailer here, blown over in the wind. So I have a question for y'all. Is this a preventable accident? Is the driver at fault in this scenario? Let me know what you think in the comments. I actually already know what the answer is. A lot of people might be surprised. I think a lot of truck drivers might not even know the correct answer to this scenario here. But anyways, let me know what you think. Good, man. How are you?
It's windy as shit if you don't know that.
Yeah, no shit. I can't wait to find a place to park and get off the damn road.
Right. If you follow these guys down to the next country road, to the intersection, make a right, follow that straight back out, it'll come back out on 33.
Okay, it's good to take a truck down there,
Yeah.
though? Okay.
It's a country road, but there's been plenty of trucks going down it. So.
All right, I didn't want to take any
Nope.
chances with not knowing the area, so
Nope, you're good.
I'll go that way. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Well, this is a bit sketch. Going around an accident there.